Sorry about that. I don't know if I can rejoin.
You can. It was just a kick.
They're pretty far away. Are they calling her?
They're what?
I
Never mind,
accept the
never mind.
consequences. Yes. Like,
Yeah, no.
okay.
It's kill, kick, ban. Yeah, kill, kick, ban, kill, kick, ban, kill, kick, ban, ban, something like that.
You're giving me a migraine with all this killing and banning. Kicking. How do I get back in the game? Okay, so I got a multiplayer. Server
No!
browser.
No! Okay.
And it was called what again?
I told you to hit the favorite button, but I'm not sure if you did. Oh, this is about to be really bad, really bad. Oh, I got sniped from the second floor.
Actually, I might have hit the favorite button. I'm just.
Yeah, favorites is a separate tab.
I might have done it, but I'm having trouble finding it. This is new for me. I usually use it.
Yeah. I probably have played like oh, I don't even know. 2 hours of 2 hours of actual Battlefield in the past like 3 months.
Alright, well, what's the keyword I need to search?
Yeah, no, I have not played much. I admin the stuff. The I wrote the main admin toolset for Battlefield that's run on about 2,500 servers now.
Wait, whoa. Say that again? You what?
No, I wrote the main admin toolset for Battlefield. It's used on about 2,000 servers now.
Holy shit, dude.
About yeah, it's 50.
What code did you? What
It's
code
50.
is it?
It's 50,000 lines of C# and took about 4,500 hours of work.
Oh my
Damn, that's
god.
a lot of work.
I started that back in college as just
That's
a random
amazing.
project. Yeah. No, half of that talking about that was half of the interview for my current software job.
That's amazing. I was actually planning on dropping out what I'm doing now in software, but I don't know.
It depends what you want to do, man.
You ever heard of Acre?
Egger?
Acre, like A-C-R-E, Acre.
Oh, like an acre of land?
Combat
Like an
radio.
acre of land?
No, like it stands for Advanced Combat Radio Environment. It's an extension for TeamSpeak for Arma 3.
Oh, really?
So
The only times I've played Arma is when I was playing DayZ back in the day.
Do you play PUBG at all?
I do play PUBG, but not often. I really didn't like the gather stuff for 30 minutes and then get sniped instantaneously from across the map. A dynamic of that.
Oh, see, you're missing.
Yeah, that is
see,
definitely
you're missing,
frustrating.
You're missing your moment, man. I can
No,
tell
it's like I've only struggled through it. I've only struggled through it with squads. I could not stand it solo.
Yeah. I don't play squads.
Yeah.
I'm a
No,
solo.
because you have the
My
feel of like
favorite is
connected
duo.
grief when you're playing it with squads. It's just like, oh, we got wiped out, but we got wiped out together.
Yeah, I find the best thing to do is to practice by dropping at melee every game.
Base. We usually dropped either school or apartments.
Dude, school is such a bad spot. There's no loot. It's the
Well,
only reason
no,
it's
that's the
not
thing.
so cheap is
It
how
only
bad
has, but that's what's so great is that it only has about 1.5 squads worth of loot. So, so you have one squad that actually comes out on top, and everyone else is just in the dirt by the end of it.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, it's nice because there's no spare stuff to leave behind. So, and an apartments is pretty sparse too. But yeah.
And I got addicted to PUBG.
Yeah.
Is the keyword of the thing that I need to be searching for to play again?
Meat
What do you
space
do now in
grinder.
software?
Meat space grinder.
Meat grinder.
Yes. I am a software engineer in the warehouse industry.
In a warehouse industry?
Yeah, so I write warehousing software.
That's cool. Shit,
Yep.
you just go listen.
If we're gonna talk specifics, like this is stuff that I can't talk about a lot of stuff because I'm under NDA, but I can talk about like pricing because that's public. The base cost for our warehousing software, without any support or anything else, is $500,000.
Whoa. You wrote this.
No, I did not write this. It's been around since the 80s.
Oh, jeez.
And I only joined when I started out of college. So I've been in this industry for about 3 years now, and they've just,
So you have a pretty impressive job, you could say.
I really enjoy it. I really enjoy it.
Man, you're lucky. That was awesome.
Oh, come on, die. There we go. I don't much really find especially with the shotgun that people with tack lights they don't bother me nearly as much because you just aim at the bright light and they die.
Yeah, yeah, that's what I find. If you have a shotgun, it's really easy.
Yeah.
I'm in queue position 1, still trying to
All right. Well, if you're in 1, then someone's probably gonna quit here soon. So.
win. Yeah, patience. Trust me, I got things to do over here.
got weed to smoke, bitches to fuck. There we go.
I don't know about the bitches, but yeah. Depends on what the mood is, you know. Have to get that full mood.
Oh, one thing that you if you're ever wondering about why a shot didn't connect on the server, or why you thought you hit someone but it didn't seem to actually hit them, it's really, really nerdy, but you can pull open the network monitor and actually see all of your hits as they come to the server.
Wait, what?
Yeah, if you hit escape and go to options, gameplay, scroll down to advanced, and then scroll down to the very bottom of the advanced one, you can turn on network performance graph.
I ain't even trying to study it like that.
No, I'm not talking to him, man. Pitter Patter just seems like the guy who'd be interested in that kind of shit.
Network performance graph?
Yeah, network performance graph. If you turn that on, you get a scrolling timeline of the server, and you can see like your ping stats, and also when you shoot, you will see your shot bullets and your client hits, your shot bullets, your client hits, and your server hits. So you can see all the bullets that you shot, the ones that connected on the client, and the ones that connected on the server. So you can.
It's okay to like take your flip.
So you basically measure your like.
Yeah, you can see if during a round you notice, hey, what's going on? Why are my shots not connecting the way they should? You can just look at that and see what's actually causing the problem.
That's so cool.
They added that. This game was an absolute dumpster fire on launch, an absolute trash heap, just a burning trash heap, and they've improved it a lot over the few years since it's been launched. It's died down now, but they've done a lot to make sure that people do what they want.
Maybe a week ago because of that huge sale they had.
Oh, they did have a huge sale. All right.
Yeah, it was $20 for the premium.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I have this account that I've had since it was actually given to me by people who wanted me to code my stuff for Battlefield 4, because my admin tools were originally on BF3, but they wanted me to port it here, so they gave me BF4. For my alt account, I have it through Origin Access, which I think is like $20 a year or something. You have access to like all the premium stuff. So I thought that was kind of cool.
Oh damn! All right, so I'm back in the server. Where
All
are
right.
you guys?
Join Foxtrot. We're in Foxtrot. Or you can, or I wrote or if you are dead, I wrote a command for it. I'll type it in the server.
Wait, what'd you do?
You can type that if you're dead, and you'll get dropped in squad with that person. You don't have to actually open the menu. The problem is if you're alive, it'll kill you because the server command kills you to move squads. I don't know why it does that, but it does. Actually, I just realized I was. I just realized I was. Thanks, man. I realized I was really snarky when I did join Colin with the response. I said you're already in squad with yourself.
It said that?
Yeah, I forgot I had made it say that when you tried to join in yourself.
That's funny. So what other codes do you write with?
Well, the main languages I write for work are Java, SQL for databases, and
Oh shit! That's what I do.
You do databases?
Yeah.
Nice.
SQL databases.
Cool.
SQL databases, Java, anything to do with PHP, Java, JavaScript.
Really? Okay.
C, C++. Yeah, man.
I've only done a
stuff.
little bit of Python and C#. That's about it.
Yeah. One thing that C# has this thing called LINQ, LINQ, and it's daunting to learn it out the gate, but once you learn it, oh, it makes coding so simple. Let's say you have a list of things, and they're just objects of some kind. You can say, okay, I want you to take these. I want you to take these objects, order them by some internal value. Only take the ones that have this value or this range of values. Build a completely new object out of them and put this other information in it if you want, and spit out the list in array form. and it's just like some crazy stuff like that, and then average the values, just like it's awesome.
And you can do that in like a couple lines.
Yeah, you can do it in a couple lines. It's awesome.
Oh,
yeah, you write it like you write SQL. It's really cool.
wow.
But it works with objects in the language. It's not using SQL objects. It's super cool, and I use that all over the place in the plugin once I learned it.
Pardon me, I'm trying to support you, dog.
Holy shit, it's a big thing. Yeah, I had to do a bit of C# for my class.
Mm-hmm.
Have you heard? Do you know what an ROV is?
ROV.
Yeah.
No.
It's a remotely operated. It's a remotely operated vehicle, but it's a submarine.
Okay.
Anyways, I was doing that, and I had to do a bit of C# for it. And
Very
now
cool.
I really want to do coding. I want to drop this and do coding.
If you have a
You worked
well,
in the oil field?
If I'm lucky, but they're really hard to get jobs right now, so that's partly why I'm dropping out.
Well, I'm saying, like, where were you working with the ROV?
Oh, I'm in school right now. I'm rebuilding one because the oil company gave us one to work with. And
Figure
That's
that
pretty
shit
cool.
out.
yeah, it's fucked. They're huge. They're like big too. But it's mainly oil work. If you're
Yeah.
lucky. If you're not lucky, you'll be working like in a fishing net with a little one that's like the size of like 2 refrigerators or something.
I mean, you could get a job as an ROV operator pretty much right now if you wanted.
well, operating it isn't coding though.
No, I mean,
Operating it is a lot harder job to get than a technician. You're just like,
Well, yeah, well, that just means you're putting other people's lives on the line and a lot of money on the line.
oh yeah, dude,
I don't think so,
they have
man.
to
I mean-
trust you so much. There won't be much lives online though, because they're very
Yeah, it's just money on the line.
remotely safe.
I
There,
used to work
but
for-
there is a lot of
I
money.
used to
Like,
work
if you're
for
not-
a nationally.
there's a lot of money you're wasting, and they don't like that.
You ever heard of NOV?
And what?
NOV, like NOV.com, like National
No.
Barcode. You ever heard of that? Yeah, that's who I used to.
No, what is
we
it?
did. Yeah, I mean, that's like Halliburton of the oil field, basically.
Okay.
What do you say? NOV, like national, or like NOV?
NOV. like
Nasty
November.
ovulating virgins.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a good one.
It's don't snipe me, bro. Jump on the nade. Yeah, kicked him. No, I jumped on his nade. Got him kicked.
Ah, that's horrible.
You should do that though, because it lowers your rep.
No,
which is good.
no, it raises my rep.
Raises. That's what I
Yeah.
meant. That's what I meant. Sorry. It raises your rep.
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah, I was shocked how popular that system became. It's
Jumping
crazy
up
how
those names.
it's crazy how much people connect to a number that's attached to their name. It's funny.
Yeah. Does it hold any value? Like, does a certain number do?
Actually, yeah, but only between 15 and 75. When you get to 15, we no longer check your loadout unless you fuck up. So you can equip like smoke and stuff if you promise not to throw it. And if you get above 75, you know, like the admin spam messages you see every now and then,
Yeah.
you don't see those anymore.
Oh, that would be nice.
Yep.
So I gotta jump on a lot of names.
Yeah. But no, there's really no incentives above 75, and we have people that are rocking like 500, 600 rep. But the thing is you can't get above 1,000. It becomes harder. I wrote it so it gets harder to get rep as you get closer to 1,000.
Oh, okay. Man, you really know what to figure out. Holy shit.
There's so much shit in this plugin. I forget what's in it a lot of the time, and I have to go back and actually search the code and figure it out. It's 50,000 lines long.
Yeah. What? Wait, what?
It's 50,000 lines long. Yeah.
Oh my god. Holy shit, dude, that's insane. How'd you get into coding? Did you go to school for it, or did you just like do it as a hobby and it slowly built up?
I'd have to say I started getting into it in high school, when basically I'm an antisocial person, so the main people that I played around with and got involved with was the robotics team.
Oh yeah.
And because they're all antisocial too, but they're my kind of antisocial.
Yeah.
So I got involved with that and joined First Robotics and was involved with that, and actually ended up my robotics teacher. I ended up coding. Ended up being lead programmer for that after a while, and
So, like, can I ask you something? Like, what's the biggest project you have worked on? Like, how many people?
the biggest project would be like outside of my job, which is like hundreds of devs.
Okay, yeah. Well, I mean, yeah, the biggest project ever.
The biggest project would be this warehouse management software I've been working on, because the thing is, it's not just one piece and then we're done. We're not contract people. We're writing our own software,
Right.
and this is millions upon millions of lines of code. So
Whoa, that's
yeah.
a lot.
No, it's so big. It's so big. There's not one person that knows everything about it. It's Yeah, hang on. Sorry.
The board.
It's all right. All right. I'm trying to kill all the people. Okay. Yeah, it's so big. There's not the person that knows it all. In fact, even the people that are subject masters and or like subject experts in their own area will still have to look at the code sometimes and figure out what is actually going on. It's just too huge.
That's crazy, man.
But it's nice to have people that actually know what they're talking about a lot of the time. My boss is still probably pissed at me for how many questions that I asked him during my starting.
Because he's proudly pissed.
No, he's probably still pissed about how many questions I ended up asking.
During your interview?
No, not during my interview. During like my first 6 months of working there.
Oh really? I'm that
Yeah.
type of person though. And
Oh, no. I'm more making a joke. He's an awesome guy. He's a truly awesome guy.
My teachers get mad at me for asking too many questions.
Yeah.
I know what you're talking about.
Nobody's shooting back. That's really pissing me off. We're taking a lot of heat. Everybody's just running.
Oh, I hate the hitbox on this stupid ATM. The hitbox on the ATMs goes out in front of the faceplate, and it's super
Oh my god,
annoying.
dude, there's like 5-6 snipers in the very back.
The only way to actually survive there is to jump over to the display case. But there might be people there as well.
You run faster with your knife out, right?
Yes, you do. Oh dear. Okay, I got one of them, but the other guys got me.
Just slightly.
Yeah, it's not easy.
Yep. Yeah, they pushed up quite a lot. All right. Oh, we're in back lockers again, or front lockers? Sorry. Actually, no. Let's see if we can push over in ticket booth. Let's see if we can get in ticket booth.
Where?
The center, like middle, like
the
tiny
center,
building.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's ticket booth. One interesting stat that I looked up recently because I was curious about it: the 60% of Battlefield 4 players have less than 10 online hours.
What?
Yep, and this isn't like a news article I read. This is actually I looked it up in Battlelog's stat system.
Wow.
60% of players have less than 10 online hours.
That's crazy.
Some people just weren't cut out for this video game.
That dude, we're not gonna be able to cross that. It's a crazy minefield.
Yeah, no, I'm like pushing 2,000 hours now in BF4. I know they're like 1,800 back in BF3.
Oh, we're pushing left side pretty hard.
Yep. I wonder how this Handcam video is going to turn out. I hope it's good.
What's that? The hand? What?
Handcam video. I've moved my webcam onto a gooseneck arm and put it above my screens looking down so it covers
Oh,
my...
you stream?
So I have my keyboard and mouse on the camera, and I fed in an application called what is it called? Noboard, or Knowboard, so you can see my keyboard inputs on the screen as well. I don't stream, but I use it to
That's
record.
cool. Oh, what do you record? Just like gameplay and whatnot?
Yeah, and I have to record a lot because I what the heck? Because I research for anti-cheat.
Oh, right on.
Oh, there was a dude hiding there. Didn't even think about it.
Can't put in my grenade like I wanna.
Oh no. Aw. Goodness gracious.
Oh, we lost our left push.
It's okay. We still got a 6% advantage. We should be fine.
Yep.
I have debug outputs that I wrote in chat for the team powers for team, so I can see like if a team's overpowered or imbalanced or anything like that.
You said we have a what percent advantage?
We have 6% advantage. It's not big, but it's enough.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
Damn, get him.
Gotta have that long range weapon.
Does
Oh, I
the
love
game
that Magnum.
defy the odds a lot?
Say what?
Does the game often defy the odds?
Well, DICE wrote their own mandatory balancer a while back and basically overrode anything that admins do. But I found a way around it because they don't move players during a round. So I just have to do all my team balancing during a round. I can't scramble them in between rounds.
Huh. Nice.
Alright, I'm starting to get
dog.
I'm starting to get my mojo back. Alright.
I mean, we won, but it felt like I got my ass kicked.
When you're starting playing something new, especially when you don't have access to the normal toys you like to play around with, it's different to learn.